To buy BLOOMSPERG terminal token. So this token came under the symbol of SPERG. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check Derek's account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, as you can see, it's available on Tick Screener. As you can see, the liquidity here are locked by 99%. That's good. That's mean your investment in a safe place. So to be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. And remember, this token address is under the Solana network. Now, the best wallet for that, it's Phantom Wallet. Now, open your Phantom Wallet. Click on swap. Now make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address, as you can see. So this is our token. Just click on it. Now after that, what you need to do, just type here how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. And as you can see, this is how much you receive. Of course, you can increase that and decrease the amount here. Now after that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if after that, if you face any issue, just go back to this page, switch the slip hash from here or custom it, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the SPERG token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.